All of us would love to have freedom from dandruff and dry, itchy scalp. With proper and regular hair care, it is very much possible. Let's take a look at how the new Satnic Hair Care Collection helps us in achieving the same. The first step to a clean and dandruff-free scalp is cleansing. Satnic Anti-Dandruff Shampoo helps control dandruff, reduces itching, and helps keep your scalp healthy. Wet your hair first. It's important that the hair is wet as it makes shampooing easy. Use lukewarm water or cold water. Put a small amount of shampoo onto the palm of your hands. The amount of shampoo may vary according to the hair length and texture. A good estimate would be the size of a 5-rupee coin. Now massage the shampoo into the scalp with your fingertips and not nails. Massaging helps stimulates the blood flow to the scalp, encouraging healthy hair and scalp. It also removes dirt. Concentrate on the top of the head. If your hair is longer, don't pile it up on your head. Instead, comb through it with your fingers to reduce tangles. Finally, rinse thoroughly your hair and scalp with cool water. It is important to ensure that no shampoo residue is left behind, as this can dry the scalp and create flaky, itchy scalp. Step 2. Condition. It is important that you condition your hair after cleansing, as it leaves your hair hydrated and soft. Conditioning also helps make your hair more manageable. After cleansing with the Satnic Anti-Dandruff Shampoo, condition your hair with the Satnic Glossy Repair Conditioner. It helps to keep your hair hydrated and soft and helps repair and protect hair from environmental damage. After shampooing, gently squeeze the water out of your hair. Put a small amount of conditioner onto the palm of your hand and distribute it evenly along your hair strands. The quantity would depend on the length of your hair. Start at the nape of the neck and distribute the conditioner evenly with your fingers until you have reached the tips of the hair. Apply evenly along the hair strands. Keep for 2 to 3 minutes. Rinse the hair with cold or lukewarm water until all of the conditioner is washed out. Finish with a rinse of cold water to close off the cuticles and give your hair a little extra shine. Let the hair dry with the towel. Do not squeeze the hair. Let the hair air dry. It's healthier since blow drying can dry it out and cause frizz. Thoroughly dry your hair. When towel drying, never rub the hair as this will cause tangling and damage the cuticle of the hair. Satnic Anti-Dandruff Shampoo and Glossy Repair Conditioner are safe and gentle for everyday use. For intense conditioning, use the Satnic Revitalizing Mask 2 to 3 times a week instead of a Glossy Repair Conditioner. It helps strengthen the hair by up to 6 times and also helps to mend and prevent split ends. Step 3. Scalp Health. Hair follicle is the living part of the hair. It is very important to nourish the hair follicle to get healthy hair. The third and an important step in the hair care regime is taking care of the scalp. Satnic Scalp Tonic nourishes the scalp and helps promote the growth of thicker, fuller looking hair. It has Scalp Revitalizing Complex and a blend of natural plant extracts that helps relieve dry, itchy scalp and increases moisture to the scalp. Satnic Scalp Tonic should be applied to a clean, dry or wet scalp. For best results, apply twice daily. The benefits of the Scalp Tonic are intensified when combined with this massaging technique. Together, they help stimulate circulation and helps promote hair growth. For best results, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Apply Scalp Tonic in 3 sections from the temple to the base of your neck. 1 row on each side and 1 in the middle. Step 2. Gently massage in a circular motion using your fingertips. Begin at the sides of your head, starting at your hairline near the temples. Then move your hands back to the area above the ears. Massage each area for 5 to 10 seconds. Step 3. Continue massaging towards the back of your head, going from behind the ears to the base of your neck. Step 4. Move your fingertips to the front of your head. Continue massage starting at your hairline and work towards the top of your head. Step 5. Finally, move to the crown to complete the massaging technique. Scalp tonic has been shown to significantly increase hair diameter after 12 weeks of use. Step 4. Style. Your hair is now ready for styling. Take a generous quantity of styling gel and apply to damp hair. Style effortlessly to create the look that you desire. Go ahead and flaunt your style. This Sapnic regime helps control dandruff and maintains healthy, beautiful looking hair.